Hello everyone and welcome back to Data Security in Gen AI, protecting your AI fuel. As AI systems become more integral to our daily processes, the risks of compromised data grows exponentially. And today we'll explore three key takeaways: why data is the fuel for AI and how compromising it can derail your entire model's performance, how strong encryption and regular data pipeline audits form the backbone of good security, and why data governance, aligned with compliance and ethics, isn't just a one time task but an ongoing responsibility. Let's dive in. Data as the fuel for AI. Let's talk about data as the fuel for generative AI. Just like a car can't run without gas, AI models can't function without high quality data. If your data is corrupted or even slightly incorrect, the AI may learn the wrong patterns, producing skewed or harmful outputs. A marketing AI model using outdated customer info might generate inaccurate campaigns leading to lost revenue. And according to Gartner, 75% of AI projects fail to achieve objectives primarily due to poor data management. So when data is compromised, it's not just about losing sensitive info, it's also about degrading or corrupting your AI performance. This could mean misclassifications, biased decisions, or security vulnerabilities in generated content. So, our second big takeaway is the need for strong encryption and regular audits. That starts with encryption at rest and in transit. At rest, encrypt your stored data using robust algorithms like AES 256. This ensures that even if attackers gain physical access to your storage, they can't read the files. In transit, use TLS, HTTPS, or VPN tunnels to protect data moving across networks or between cloud services. And key management. Store keys securely in tools like AWS KMS or Azure Key Vault and rotate them periodically. Exposing or mismanaging encryption keys can undermine all your efforts. NIST Special Publications SP800 series provide detailed guidelines on encryption best practices widely used across industries. Regular audits act like a checkup for your data pipelines, just like how you would periodically service a car to catch wear and tear early. Have your security teams routinely scan logs for unusual patterns like spikes in data access and validate system configurations. Such bring in external experts or ethical hackers to pinpoint blind spots in your AI environment. And the third one is compliance and legal. In regulated sectors like healthcare, finance, audits are mandatory to meet frameworks like HIPAA, GDPR, or ISO 27001. So why it matters? Catching anomalies early prevents small oversights from ballooning into expensive breaches or major AI malfunctions. Our final takeaway is about data governance, the ongoing process ensuring your data aligns with both compliance and ethical standards. Policies and standards define clear rules on who can collect, store, and modify data. Use frameworks like ORBIT or ITIL to standardize governance across the organization. Then we have ethical considerations. If your AI model uses personal data, are you respecting user consent? Are you minimizing bias and ensuring fairness? For an example, an LLM that trains on sensitive user chats must not reveal personal details in generated outputs. And then the lifecycle management. Plan how data is acquired, processed, achieved, archived, and eventually disposed of. Conduct data hygiene checks regularly to remove outdated or irrelevant information. A Deloitte survey suggests that over 60% of organizations struggle to maintain consistent data governance, leading to compliance gaps and ethical dilemmas. Data governance isn't a one and done. As your AI evolves, whether you add new features, adopt fresh data sources, or expand to new markets, governance needs continuous updates. A real world example of this could be a streaming service that starts collecting voice data for recommendations must visit its privacy policies and user consent forms. Some tips: Could be like hold regular stakeholders meetings, security teams, compliance officers, and data scientists to review changes in AI pipelines, data policies, and emerging regulatory requirements. Cool. So let's quickly recap the three takeaways for data security in generative AI. Number one is data is the fuel for AI. Strong encryption and regular audits is number two. And number three is data governance is ongoing. Combining these strategies will strengthen your AI systems and protect both your organization and your users. That should be all for the day. Thank you so much for joining me to explore data security in generative AI. Remember that protecting your AI fuel is paramount for ethical, reliable, and high performing models. Whether you are encrypting data, auditing pipelines, or maintaining governance policies, each step contributes to a safer ecosystem, the AI ecosystem.